Now that you've found the right spot for your Dive Smart sanitizer, it's time to power off your pump. Firstly, I'm going to use the Quick Install Guide's handy pipe measurer to help determine whether I have 2-inch pipe or 1.5-inch pipe. For a 2-inch pipe, you won't need the reducers for installation, so use them as a tiny hat, recycle them, or keep them for another project. Now, coordinate the pipe diameter with the pre-measured slots in the install guide. The slots for my 2-inch pipe are here, so I know how to mark the pipe for cutting. Be careful, double check your measurement, and away we go. Now it is time to glue the PVC union socket onto the existing pipe of your pool system. Be generous but not sloppy with the glue. Thoroughly cover the area inside the union socket and on the end of your pipes. Now, connect the two, like so. They should be very snug when you are done. Ensure you hold them there for a moment. Next, we need to wrap the plumber's tape around the device at its threaded ports. This extra thin stuff helps create a leak-free connection between the PVC union and the socket we just added to the existing pipe. Just like the glued socket union, you want to make sure this threaded union is nice and snug on the Dive system. Tighten each side until you can't tighten anymore. It is now time to attach your Dive unit. It is very critical that we make sure it is facing the right way. Generally, the arrows will point down the pipe towards your pool, away from the filter, pump, and heater that just push the water through the dive. Now, let's screw it in. Brilliant! Take a moment to make sure all the connections are tight. After waiting 15 minutes for the glue to dry, turn the pump back on.